In this video, I'll show you how to get Roblox Voice Chat. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. So the first thing you need to do is either go and open up the Roblox app or just head to the Roblox website, either on your computer or your mobile device. This guide works on both. Then the next thing you need to do is go to the top right of Roblox and go and tap on the gear or cog looking icon just in the top right like so, and go to your settings. Then once you're in settings, you need to come to your account info, and you can do the exact same thing on your mobile device as well. All you need to do is tap on the three dots in the bottom right, and then what you'll need to do is scroll down until you go and see the option with settings in the more menu just here. Then go and tap on account info, and now you're on the exact same page. To go and activate voice chat on Roblox, the first thing you need to do is go and verify your age. And to go and get voice chat on Roblox, you are going to need to be 13. In my case, I'm over the age of 13, so that is fine. So all I'm going to then do is go tap on verify my age. You'll then get this identity verification pop-up, and what we need to do is go and prepare a valid ID, and you'll need to go and use a smartphone if you aren't already using it, but if you're using it, then that's fine. And we need to go and scan the QR code. So what we can do is most of the time we can actually just use our camera app, or if your camera app doesn't work for scanning QR codes, then you can go and get a QR code scanner app from your app store or Play Store or wherever. In this case, I can go and use the camera. I can then go and hover over it like so, and as you can see, I then get this link pop up. I can tap on it and my browser is going to go and open up, and it's going to go and take me straight to the page where I need to go and be. As you can see here, it is. So I need a valid government issued ID, make sure you're well lit, and be prepared to take a selfie and photos of your ID. So I'm going to go and tap on let's go just like this, and you'll need to go and allow access to your camera, so go and tap on allow. Then what you'll need to do is go and take a photo of your document's photo page. So I've got this now, and I'm going to go and take a picture just like that. Now, it's really important is that I'm going to have to blur this information here just because it is pretty personal, but you guys can go and see what I'm doing as it will still be somewhat visible just like so. And then what we need to do is go and take a selfie, and then it'll go and say processing photos. It's going to be inspecting it, and this is all automatic, like it doesn't take long at all. And just remember that this is like really safe because Roblox is a big company. It's not going to be sort of stealing your information like that, and the processes they use are all pretty well regulated. So if you're worried about like your personal information getting leaked, in my opinion, it's quite safe. But literally within a few seconds, it now says your age is now verified, and that's it, guys. You can now go back to your computer, or if you're on your phone, that's fine as well, and you can go and tap on close, and it's going to take a moment, and it now says age verified. And then once you've verified your age, you can now go and use voice chat. So you need to go and switch it on firstly. So go over to the left hand side and then go and tap on privacy like this, and then it may take a moment or two, and you may need to go and refresh this page here, but then at the top it's going to go and say beta features, and as you can see, we've got the option for enable voice chat. So then what we can do is go and press on the switch like so, and you'll need to go and agree to the stuff here, and make sure you read through this here, and if you agree on it, then just go and tap on enable like so, and it will then go and say save successfully, and that's it. Now let's go and hop into a Roblox game, and I'll go and show you what it's like. Now, not all Roblox games are going to have voice chat, but a few of them will. And now here we are in Roblox, and as you can see, I've got this mic above my head, and if I go and unmute myself, I should then be able to go and speak. Now, if it's not working for some reason, then you can always go and check your audio settings. So pause your game by pressing escape or on the Roblox icon in the top left. Then go to the settings, and what you'll need to do is go and choose the input device. In this case, the input is actually incorrect. So the mic I like to use is this one here, and now that's correct. Make sure your output is correct as well. And then if I unmute myself, there we go, my mic is now moving. And when I go and get close to people, I'll be able to go and talk to them. It's that easy. If you guys found this video useful, please consider leaving a like. Peace.